guys, welcome back to a new video. Happy Friday. I haven't really been vlogging much this week. I did vlog a little bit earlier this week, just random clips here and there. I'll go ahead and insert those clips right now for you guys to see. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today is going to be quite a busy day. Woke up at 8:30, got dressed really quick. I just threw on biker shorts and a t-shirt. I actually got this t-shirt a couple days ago. It was my 100th class at the running studio that I go to, so that was a lot of fun. Finally hit 100. Today, what's the plan? We are gonna go get an oil change, get gas, go to the bank, go to the dog store. There's a place called Hollywood Feed. I want to get some new toys for the dogs and little treats because their birthday is tomorrow. The big boys. Turning 2. So crazy how time flies. And then we're gonna go grab sushi. It's Alexander's late birthday treat for me. Since we're gonna be up in that area, our favorite sushi place that we always go to, I always film it. Yeah, excuse my face. I've been having like clusters of pimples right here. It's not fun. And I put a little hero patch. So I'm looking busted today. My hair is dirty. At the dealership, it's gonna take 2.5 hours. I also forgot to mention that we're gonna swing by IKEA because my vanity bar stool completely broke last night and I fell on my butt. It was bad. All right, we requested a ride from the dealership to drop us off at Sushi Damu. We couldn't wait any longer, we're so hungry.
But
why wait? Yeah, and it's good timing. We just got here when the restaurant opened. We're the first one here. We opened up like 2 minutes ago. When I was at the dealership, I was watching one of my favorite YouTubers. She does Monday's mukbang videos, and so today she was eating sushi. So my mouth was watering. I'm like waiting for this moment. Patiently waiting for our food. It's coming, it's coming in. Oh my god. I'm excited, so excited.
Can I show him? Danielle, it's really good. Then Matt's Riot. Then Dragon Roll. And everything else is amazing.
This is Hawaiian roll, Philly roll, caterpillar roll, and crunchy spicy tuna roll. Yes. Oh my god, so good. Okay, I'm gonna eat now. Finally got our car back, heading out of the dealership. We're gonna swing by Costco really quick to fill up gas. It is now 1 o'clock, so it took a minute, but all good. Also, the sushi was really good. We did an all-you-can-eat style, but we only ordered 7 rolls. That's like the max for us. We used to eat like 9 or 10. I don't know how we used to do it because even with 7 rolls, we're still struggling. I think we should just stick with 6. Super full, craving has been satisfied. Back in IKEA again. I'm just checking out the couches. We tried this one last time. I know. This one would have been good, but there was one by the front that's $150, which we might buy. We're here to check out the chairs, so let's do that. Alright, you guys, I am leaning towards this chair because it's metal legs. The old bar stool or the vanity stool was wooden legs and I don't want it to break. This one seems sturdy and it's white. It'll go with the bedroom. $70, not too bad. I already tried it. He's a big kid. All right, got the chair, y'all. This is probably gonna be very easy to install.
2 seconds and I'm done.
All right, let's see what they have for the doggos. Thank you. Getting some rope toys for the doggies. Let's see what kind of cookies they have. Oh, yes. Get them a happy birthday cookie. Oh, yes. Get 2 of them. Okay, home now, and Alexander installed the chair. It fits perfectly in my vanity. Very nice. I mean, the wood doesn't match, but it's okay. I don't care. Yeah, I'm pretty happy about this chair. Here's one of the new toys we got at Hollywood Feed. We got a longer one just like that. Yeah, it's a really hard rope stick. Hi! Are you happy with your new toy? Yes, I'm laying in my mom's room. Usually around this time it gets really hot in the front of the house where our bedroom is at. So I like to be back here. It's more shaded, and she has this fan. It's pretty much as old as I am. I like to blast this and lay in here for a little bit and then go out. But yeah, you like your toy? Your birthday's tomorrow. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mega Menace. Happy birthday to you. Okay, back to current time. As you guys saw, I made myself a shrimp wrap. This past week, I've been making myself a lot of shrimp wraps, and it's so good. About to eat it. I was just in the mood to do a little cooking montage in the beginning of this video. It's 11:30, so this is technically brunch. I'm actually gonna go see Christine for dinner tonight. She wants to just treat me out for a late birthday dinner. I've been trying to schedule all my girlfriends in after I came back from Cali. Honestly, ever since I had that chicken wrap in the last video when I went to the Getty with Lucine, I've just been in the mood to eat some wraps. So this is like my 4th time eating shrimp wraps this week. Today is the 25th of August. Lana Del Rey is touring, and she's coming to Dallas on the 19th of September, and today was the pre-sale tickets. Me and my friend Anwar and her cousins wanted to go to the concert, so her cousins were on the website trying to get the pre-sale tickets, waiting in queue for an hour, only for them to be all sold out. So Lana Del Rey is like my #1 favorite artist of all time, and I got tickets to go see her back in 2015. I think it was her Endless Summer tour, and the opening act was Courtney Love. So I went there, watched the opening act, and they had to shut down the concert because due to inclement weather, they didn't know if it was gonna rain or not. So unfortunately, I didn't get to see her. Did get my tickets refunded back, but this was 8 years ago. Like, I've been wanting to go see her for so long, and she's coming here very soon, and the tickets are all sold out. I know you can find tickets somewhere else and pay more, but I'm just like, I love her to death, but there's a certain price I will go pay to see somebody, and I will not exceed that amount. Unless I have like FU money, you know, like FU money, I can just buy it, but no. So maybe next time she tours, but it was worth the shot. Her cousins tried. I thank them. I'm like, thank you for doing it. I know it can be a little nerve-wracking getting tickets nowadays online, because I was nervous when I got the tickets for Christine and I to go see Twice. I am going to finish up my wrap here and relax, get back with you guys tonight. All right, guys, it's been many hours later. It's 5 o'clock, a little after 5. I'm all ready for girls' dinner with Christine. I decided to crimp my hair with the actual crimper. You guys know I use a crimper, I use a straightener to do waves, but this is actually crimp. So I did all of that. Fun. Yeah, I'm wearing this black romper that I got from Shein like a little over a month ago, and I am just pairing it with my mom's white Michael Kors little bag right here. Keeping it simple, no jewelry. I just have my studs in, and you know, keeping it very bare. And I'm also wearing my contacts today. Just felt like it. And my white heels to go with the Michael Kors bag. I don't know if my makeup looks pretty washed out on camera, but in person it's really bronzy and tan. Oh, I also wanted to show you guys what I got on Amazon a few days ago. It's a game changer for all you girls who run hot, especially me. I mean, this has been on my priority list for so long, and I always forget to purchase it. But I finally got myself a handheld portable fan. looks like this. It's so cute. Perfect. I'm gonna take this with me everywhere I go. You guys know I'm a huge sweater. I get hot easily. I don't like the heat. I am sweating right now. So why did it take me so long to get this? I've been meaning to buy this years ago and I just keep forgetting. I don't know, like, how do I keep forgetting? You know? I finally got it on Amazon. It has really good reviews, so I bought this one. It was $13 after tax. It was like $12.90 something, I believe. So basically 13 bucks. And it has 3 modes. So you just press this and it turns on. And then it's mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, and then it turns off. And it's amazing because you can charge it. It will last for hours and hours, so I've been taking advantage of it. It also comes with a little stand holder, so just place it on your desk. Look at that. It's so cute. I love it. It's coming with me everywhere, everywhere. Just thought I would share with you because this is gonna change my life. When I'm traveling, when I'm just going out and about, when I get random hot flashes, this is great. Aqua S. Ooh, so cute. Good day, mate. I love lavender.
And that's your favorite color too.
Do you like lavender? I know people don't like the soapy taste.
I don't love it, but it depends. It can be good.
Like, I know people don't like rose as much either.
I don't like rose that much because I'm not a huge fan of floral. I like flowers, but I don't like the flavor that much.
You don't like to eat them.
Yeah.
Yay!